This assignment's pretty straightforward, but I just want to point out a few things for the two of you. So this assignment is all about renewable energy sources, and it's really just kind of front loading a bunch of vocab. So it's a Google Slide assignment, and for each vocabulary word, you will create a Frere vocab square. So you'll write a description of the energy source. You'll explain how this energy source works. You'll provide 2 advantages and 2 disadvantages to using this energy source, and then you need to insert a picture from the internet. So your list here, these are all the words: solar energy, hydroelectric, wind, biomass, and geothermal. So I'm just going to kind of run you through the first one here. So it's very specific because you'll notice here, both in the description and in the square to the right that says, how do we use wind to produce electricity? There's blanks that you need to fill in for each of the bullet points. So to fill in those bullet points, and to honestly, to fill in the entire 4 squares except for the picture, you will use the linked website that's below. So if you look down here, below the Frere square, there is a website. So you'll open that up. I'm going to open that up for you. And if you scroll down, this one is obviously all about wind. But there is a video, and there's always like this really annoying commercial in the beginning that you have to just kind of let it play through. But there is a video here all about wind energy, and it is this video that you will use directly to fill in the blanks of those bullet points. Okay, so 7 more seconds of this McDonald's commercial. But yeah, so then this video will play.
Wind, although it might not need explaining, is moving air caused by...
Okay, so you'll use this video to fill in the description square and the how do we use wind to produce electricity square, and also the 2 advantages and disadvantages square. If you feel like you listened to the whole video and you still didn't get 2 advantages and 2 disadvantages, on this same website, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, there are kind of just a list of advantages and disadvantages. And then for the final square, the picture, you'll just find a picture in the internet and you'll copy and paste it into that box. So this is pretty much the same structure that you'll use for each one. The website is exactly the same. So you'll see here, I just moved on to solar. This website down here is the exact same website, except it's it's for the energy source for solar. Okay, so same idea. You'll scroll down and there should be a video here that you'll watch. Okay, so you'll do that for each one and complete them. And then you're good to go. That's what we're doing on Friday. And then just FYI, Monday's assignment will be very, very similar, except it will be about non-renewable energy sources. Okay, so make sure you get that done, and I will see you in class on Tuesday.